What's up, everybody? This is Raul from AudioMaster in Austin, Texas, and today I'm in a 2019 Cadillac XT4. This is a great example of what can be achieved with proper OEM integration. We used a match up 10 amplifier, so it's a 10-channel amplifier with 11 channels of DSP for integration. These are all the stock speakers. We just re-amplified them and re-EQ'd them. We did a conductor here. This is a custom mount that we shaped out of acrylic and painted to match the dashboard. This controls the sub. And what do we do for subs? Well, let me tell you. We did a pair of TW310s by JL Audio in a stage 3 enclosure, and let me show you guys what that looks like. This is a very clean installation. One of the things that our customer didn't want is to lose a whole lot of space. So as you can tell, no enclosure. Where's the enclosure? Bam. The match amplifiers are behind this plexi. That's one of the bass amplifiers. Right underneath the Cadillac is the up 10, and there's the other amplifier. This amplifier is powering this sub. That amplifier is doing all the speakers, and that amplifier is powering this sub. And once you tuck it away, it's all clean. Let me show you guys what this sounds like, so you can get an idea. Just turn the bass down a little bit. And bougie.
You niggas got a low act rate. We from the north, yeah, that way. That could be blunt in the ashtray. Two bitches just national smash day. Hop in the limb, have a drag race. I let them birds take a bath, babe. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Looking on your bitch, yeah, dot. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trick, nobody.
Let me know how that sounds down in the comments below. You like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at AudiomasterATX@gmail.com. Follow our social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and we'll see you on the next one. Like a